If you're wondering how to make a QR code for a website in Unicode, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to create a QR code that links directly to your website. By the end, you'll be able to generate a QR code in minutes and decide if Unicode is the right tool for your needs. First things first, let's dive into Unicode. It's a tool that promises to simplify QR code generation, and it certainly doesn't disappoint in terms of basic features. With Unicode, you can create QR codes for all sorts of links, including website URLs, in just a few clicks. It's perfect if you need a straightforward and fast solution for creating QR codes. Next thing, to create a QR code for a website in Unicode, simply start by entering the URL you want to link to in the input box. This is usually the website's homepage or a specific landing page. After pasting the URL, you'll notice Unicode automatically generates the QR code for you. It's that simple. There's no need for complicated steps or additional software, which can be a big plus for users who want a no-frills, fast solution. The third thing to consider is customization. Unlike some other QR code generators, Unicode does offer a few basic customization options. You can change the color of the QR code or adjust the size, which can help make it more visually appealing for your brand or project. However, when compared to other QR code creators, the customization options in Unicode feel a bit limited. If you need more advanced design features, you might find that Unicode doesn't fully meet your expectations. The fourth thing is the download process. Once you've created your QR code, Unicode makes it super easy to download it. You can save it in various file formats, making it versatile enough for printing, digital use, or social media sharing. However, it's worth noting that there's no direct integration with major design software, so if you're looking to immediately import the QR code into a graphic design project, you'll need to do it manually. Next, let's talk about Unicode's limitations. While it's great for quickly generating a QR code for a website, Unicode lacks some of the advanced analytics and tracking features found in other QR code generators. If you want to track how many people are scanning your QR code or where they're scanning from, you might want to look into more advanced alternatives that offer better data tracking and reporting. Now, with all that said, you might be wondering if Unicode is the right choice for you. Well, it's perfect for basic QR code needs. If you want more features, like in-depth analytics or advanced design options, you'll want to explore other tools. And that's exactly what we're going to do in a moment. But before I show you some amazing alternatives, let me tell you about an exclusive offer. We've partnered with the best alternative to Unicode for creating website QR codes, and through our link, you'll get an extended free trial with additional features that will actually help you accomplish more of your goals. To recap, Unicode is fast and simple, but if you want more advanced features like detailed tracking and customization, there are other QR code generators that do a better job. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, don't miss out, click the link and start using the best QR code software available today.